Shopping. I figured that we'd go for a walk because we haven't done it in a while and we haven't done a vlog in a long time. So, hi Joe.
Hi.
How are you?
Cold.
My boo. Jerky. Oh, the beach. Oh, the beach.
Love the beach.
Oh, it's cold today. That's good. Look, it's an alleyway. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Ow.
Oh, shit.
Hi there.
To the beach. A man has got in with speedos. Watch his body as he gets in. Jesus Christ. He's done it. Look, he's in.
No, he's going back out.
Yeah, he's got his money's worth now. He's done his there. Like watching Bambi.
I win.
I win. Which way to South Africa, Joe? Gateway.
On the second
Yes. Had fun.
I'm really sniffly now.
I know, I need to buy her a hanky because she's not the one I'll keep in the car. Achoo.
Achoo.
Boy.
Achoo, achoo.
Achoo. And now we're gonna go and have a roast. What's the time?
It's only like 10 to 1.
Oh, another trip, maybe.